Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can achieve simple transform animation on button hover in CSS. So let's get started. So firstly I'll quickly show you guys the output. Here I have one simple button, and if I hover over it, here you can see I'm able to apply some scale animation as well as change the background color. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly I have created a project using Vite. In case if you don't know Vite, that's fine, you just need an HTML and CSS file, that's it. So you can just create a simple HTML file, and if you see my HTML file, all I have done is that I have added a reference to our CSS file inside it, and ignore these two things, and here I have one button and I have given it some ID. I'm not really using this ID, but if you want you can use this ID inside CSS. And if you see the styles.css on button, I have firstly I'll comment this out and I will add this. If you see my button hover properties, I'm just changing the scale on transform, I'm changing the background color as well as I'm changing the color. And if I just quickly save this and if I do something like this, here you can see I'm able to change the scale, the background color as well, and what else, and the color of our text as well. So that's what I'm changing. Now suppose if you want to have more control of your animation, you can use the transition to actually change how you want for each and every property. So here you can see that I have assigned a background color on hover, right? So I can just assign this background color over here, and I want to ease in after 0.3 seconds. Same for transform as well, I have added, and 0.2 second ease in out. Similarly you can do it for color as well. So suppose if you are changing the border radius as well on button hover, you can add it over here as well, but I'll keep things simple. So yeah, that's how you can achieve simple animations with button hover with transition using on button hover. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.